Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. If you've not done that, make sure you like, share. If there's anything you want to say, right, say it. Make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And also, do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, if there's anything you want, you can actually contact us on Telegram or follow us on Telegram. We'll be putting out one or two information there. Now let's take a look at AUD, USD. At first, we can see that this is a bearish move, right? Then when it eventually came to this support resistance level, by the way. So if you take a look at something like this on this AUD USD, you can see that once markets come to this level, we tend to see a rejection at this level. We can see we had a rejection at rejection at that level. We can see it again, rejection at this level. Again, once again, rejection at this level. One market came here. What happened? What did they do? We also had a rejection at this level. So that is safe to say this is top, is our resistance level, right? Now, if you have to zoom it out, what another level do you see getting into final rejection? See another rejection here, a rejection at this level. You can see a rejection at this level. So this bottom will be taken as our support level. So basically, what we'll be expecting is AUD USD will definitely drop to this our support level. So meaning there is going to be a more drop or bearish move on AUD USD coming this week. Now, if you have been following this our channel consistently, I literally did analysis for the week on AUD USD. I literally talked about having something like an head and shoulder pattern here before dropping. So this is the left shoulder when I talked about it previously. This is the head, right? This is the right shoulder. You can see it. Then it was at this level I told you guys that as from this level, expect a drop on AUD and guess what? This is the drop. So with this level, we've made about 93 pips drop. So those of you that went ahead to sell it, absolutely fine. You should have made good amount of profits. And guess what? Guess what will happen next on AUD? There's going to be a pullback on AUD. And guess what will happen again? Another drop will happen clear out again. So this pullback is very, very much likely to come to tap our 20 period simple moving average. So we have higher chances of it coming to tap our 20 period. By the way, it will definitely give us a pullback. I don't think AUDUSD will start dropping from this level. I highly doubt it. Can it do that? Absolutely, it can do that. That is forex trading for you. It can actually drop. But what I'm saying on the technical aspect of this needs to push up to the upside. First of all, come to tap our 20 period simple moving average, then we can now start expecting a drop. So if you push up and you take this sell and sell here, we'll be making like 100 pips. So 100 pips, you should be able to make about 100 pips on AUD. So we will very much likely to cover it on the Patreon channel. We will put the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So if you are yet to follow us on the Patreon, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, you can give it a try for a month, right? You can just give it a try for a month. If after a month you are not comfortable with the services, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription because they will put out high probability trade. Those of you that are having trouble growing up your account, that are having trouble, growing up your account, or you're having trouble trading, you can give us a try, right? The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you subscribe to the Patreon channel, you will get updates. Also, one-on-one support definitely on trading if you need. The link will be in the comment section.